Welcome to the Scotiabank mobile app walkthrough. Today, we'll explore how to effectively manage your finances right from your smartphone. Let's take a look at the app's interface. The home screen is designed for easy navigation, ensuring you can find what you need quickly. Now, we'll set up and manage your accounts within the app. Follow these simple steps to get everything in order. Transferring funds between your accounts is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step on how to make a transfer effortlessly. You can also send money to other Scotiabank customers with just a few taps. Let's see how this works. Paying your bills has never been easier. We'll go through the process of adding payees and scheduling payments. Stay on top of your bills by managing payments directly through the app. Here's how you can track and modify your transactions. Setting up alerts and notifications is crucial for effective account management. Let's see how to customize these settings. Security is paramount in banking. Here are some essential tips to ensure your account remains safe. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough. We hope you're ready to maximize your experience with the Scotiabank mobile app.